Hope everybody's doing well. My name is Cory Chance. I wanted to create a short video here on how Shape's Partner Portal actually interacts with the CRM and how our referral partners would actually use that to track the people that they've referred to you directly through this sign-in. So I am already on the sign-in page. I already have everything created. And over here, if I haven't, I have a sign-up page. So I can put in my information and sign up. All the partners that you link through Shape will automatically be given a username and password that they can put in here and sign right in. I already have that ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my info and hit sign in. And you'll see how it'll take me to a list of all of the records that I have referred and are linked to me in Shape. So I'm going to go ahead and open one of these. We'll just pick on Josh Baker. I can see their current status. If they're in that document stage, I'll be able to see any documents owed and things like that. But the most important aspect is going to be the notes. This is going to be a feature that they're going to use heavily. So any notes that I leave here, let's say just checking in. Any notes that I leave here, of course, I can keep track of them here and I can just use them for me. But more importantly, they'll populate in our Shape CRM as well. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the tab here and jump over into Gracia's partner record where I can see all those linked referrals. So I can go into Josh's lead and see that note that was just left by the partner, Gracia. So this is a really, really cool tool that people can use. I can also push some notes from the CRM to the partner portal just by leaving the partner note type. So I can just say, something simple like, thank you. Create that note with that partner note type. Jump back over into Josh's record here and see that note that was left. So a really, really cool tool that they can use to push information to the CRM. And of course, the users can push notes into the partner portal as well. Hopefully this video helps. If anybody has any follow-up questions, don't hesitate to reach out and let us know.